Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learning with Praise. So today we are continuing on numbers that multiply to 0, except for like today we have a bit of extensive stuff, and then our answers, you might find some of our answers are gonna have fractions. So as you remember yesterday, we first expand. I'm going to write, we have 2x minus 5 in brackets and x minus 8 in brackets equals to 0. So what I'm going to do is write 2x, put the equations on its own, minus 5 equals to 0, and x minus 8 equals to 0. So from here, if you do remember right, this means 2x equals to positive 5 because there's a negative, and then x equals to positive 8 because there's also negative here. But then as you can see, our answer here is still not done on 2x equals to 5. What do? Here we usually divided by 2 divided by 2, and then we get our x will be 2 into 5, we get 2 and 1/2. Hopefully you understood how to do that equation. I'm gonna put you guys a little bit more closer. Now we have our second equation. We have 3a minus 1, and then a minus 4 equals to 0. So we are gonna do 3a minus 1 equals to 0, and then a minus 4 equal to 0. And then this means we get 3a equals to positive 1 and a equals to positive 4. But as you can see, we are done with a equals to positive 4, but this one is still not done because we still have a 3 here, and we just want to be left with a, with what is a. So this means we divide 3 divided by 3, and then we divide. So 1 divided by 3, if you put that on your calculator, you should get 1/3. 1/3. Now I'm gonna do our C question. We have 2q plus 1 and q minus 11 equals to 0. So this means we write again 2q. You should always rewrite it just to not confuse yourself, and q minus 11 equals to 0. So we do this step by step so that you do not forget anything and you do not end up confusing yourself. So this means equals to 2q equals to negative 1 because there's a positive here, and then we get q equals to positive 11 because we have negative here. So remember, what we put is always the positive. We put the opposite of what is here. If it's negative, we put positive, but if it's positive, we put negative. And then from here, because this equation, remember, 2q minus negative equals to negative 1 is not finished, we divide by 2 to get rid of the 2, and then equals to q equals to, so negative 1 divided by positive 2, we get negative 1.5. Now for our next equation, for our last one, so you must try to do this with me. We have 3h plus 2 in brackets, and then h plus 8 in brackets. So we're gonna expand it first, which is 3h plus 2 equals to 0, and then h plus 8 equals to 0. So from here we get equals to 3h equals to negative 2, h equals to negative 8 because there's a positive 8 here, and then we get negative 2 because there's a positive 2 here. But remember, this is still not done, so we will divide 3. We must always divide both sides. This means h, so if you put this on calculator, negative 2 divided by 3, you're supposed to get 2/3. 3. Suppose you get negative 2 over 3. Hopefully you understood how to do this. Thank you for watching. This is my last video on numbers that multiply to 0. If you didn't get it, just rewatch and I have another video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.